Hey guys, welcome back. So today I thought that we would do something that I personally find really exciting, and probably like half of you, or maybe even more than half of you, probably don't care at all. But I thought that we would assign a handbag to each zodiac sign. I know probably some of you are gonna be mad because that's always what happens, okay? You can't please every single person. You can't please every sign. But listen, I really did my best. I really sat down. I really thought about the characteristics, at least the characteristics that I know for each sign. And I really tried to assign them something that I felt like was relevant, but also applied to the characteristics that we all know. If you guys feel like there is a better pick for any of the signs, definitely let me know in a nice way in the comments. So if you guys want to know which handbag I picked for your zodiac sign, then please just keep on watching. But wait, you already know what I'm gonna say. If you're not already subscribed, explain yourself. I post on Wednesdays and on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I feel like you're gonna want to be here when I do. If you like handbags, you like luxury, you like fashion, apparently if you like astrology, this is definitely where you're gonna want to be. So definitely subscribe if you're not already, and definitely follow me on Instagram if you're not already. It's just the K Danger. I post every single day over there. So there's lots of reels, lots of outfit of the day, stories up the wazoo, just a lot going on. So definitely follow me over there if you are not already. And with that out of the way, let's jump into the video. So we're gonna start off with the first sign in the zodiac, which is Aries. Aries, you're hot-headed, man. You're hot-headed. This is a known fact. You guys have a temper. You need things to be perfect. And if they're even a little bit less than perfect, like, you're gonna fight somebody. So what I have given you, right off the bat, we're just rolling right into it. You're getting the Hermes Birkin, and you're probably gonna get it in a red color, even though you're gonna be mad that it's gonna be a red color. Aries is red. That's just kind of what it is, and I can't really change that. Probably in like a rouge casaque is what I'm thinking. Something that's like really like bright fire engine red. The reason I gave you a Birkin instead of a Kelly is because you do not have time to be fiddling around with the opening of a Kelly. No one has got the time for that, especially not you. And if you are like in the middle of doing it, you're just gonna get so pissed off, you're gonna throw the Kelly across the room. No one wants that. So we've given you the Birkin. She's nice and open, free. You could just dig in there, get your knife when you need it, you know, get the things you need. And I think this is a good one. Next up, we have Taurus. And I feel like this one is kind of obvious, like what I would pick for Taurus. But I don't know, you guys let me know. You guys you're simple people. You're simple. You don't need a lot. You don't need things to impress you. You don't like change. You like things that are like classic. Wink. Was that a wink? Probably not. So for you guys, I gave you a Chanel classic flap. You guys like what you like. You don't like things to change. And the classic flap hasn't changed in like 20 trillion years. In black or maybe beige Claire. Most likely in caviar, but it probably has to be gold hardware. So for Gemini, I wanted to pick something that was kind of just the best of both worlds. Like, that's really where my mind was, because, you know, Geminis are hot, then they're cold, you know, like they're up, they're down. That whole entire Katy Perry song pretty much is about a Gemini. So I just wanted something that could kind of go with all of their moods. The Petite Mal from Louis Vuitton. That bag, first of all, you know I love that damn bag. I love that damn bag. But the reason I felt like this was so perfect is because it goes from day to night so effortlessly. You can just remove the strap and you have a nice clutch, and you can just be out living your best nighttime life. Or if you're like, I'm trying to be casual, I just want to go to the mall and maybe get some auntie ends, throw the strap on, put it over a cardigan, and you're like good to go with some sneakers. It's dressy, but it's casual. It's quirky, but it's classic. It's just, you know, I think it's the perfect mixture of the two. So Cancer, you're busy, okay? You're busy consoling yourself. You're busy consoling others. You need your hands free, so you can be hugging people, hugging them, petting their hair a little bit, you know what I'm saying? So you need something crossbody, but you also need something that has space. Something you can actually fit things into, I don't know, like maybe a tissue box. I don't know. Something that's a little bit more casual, because Cancer, you like to stay home, man. You like to stay home. You don't like to get dressed up. You don't like to do the whole shebang, okay? What you want to do is throw on some sweatpants and go where you need to go. Louis Vuitton puzzle bag. Boom. It's perfect for everyday use. And I mean literally everyday use. Like, this bag could be your every single day bag, especially if you get it in the brown color, which I know is not really one of Cancer's colors. But listen, I'm trying to go with things that are going to match everything, because Cancer just wants to throw on a bag and get the hell out of the house. They don't, you know, we don't have time. Leo. Again, there's just one. It's just one. I mean, in my opinion, just one obvious choice here. For Leo, I picked the Bottega pouch in gold, that like metallic gold. It actually has like kind of stripes. You know, Leo had to have a gold bag. You knew this, and I know Leos kind of they don't like that gold is like their color, or maybe they're just sick of it. But listen, Leos are here to show out. You want to be the center of attention any and everywhere that you go, which is understandable, because honestly, we get it. So a bag that I thought would stand out but also be gold and also fit for your nightlife, because let's be honest, Leos have the best nightlife. Bottega pouch in gold. And it's also versatile. You can still wear this like during the day with a nice fall outfit. So I think this is it. So Virgos, for the control freaks, for the other sign that I feel like needs everything absolutely perfect to a T, you had to have the Hermes Kelly. There was just really no other choice. You need your bag to be in pristine, perfect, amazing condition, because that's who you are as a person. That's who you are. So I'm gonna give you a Kelly 25. We're gonna keep it nice and small. Cellier's gotta be Cellier, okay? You need the structure. And it's gonna be in something that's like a dark color, maybe like a deep, maybe like a brown, like a deep brown color. What's that called? A bean? That would just be perfect because you're an earth sign and the structure is there, and you know, you can just take your time opening them little sangles, keep the bag in like beautiful, perfect shape. I think that's really, it's a no-brainer. Okay, so we're on to my sign. I just realized this year how many luxury YouTubers are Libras. Everybody's birthday just passed. You know, that kind of makes a lot of sense that all the luxury YouTubers would be Libras. Tell me not. I really sat down and thought about like what makes Libras. We just really like shiny stuff. Anything shiny, sparkly, anything that is like aesthetically pleasing. I had to pick the Balenciaga Hourglass in all crystals. Probably in pink. First of all, you know I was not gonna pick the Lake of Gold version. There was no way in hell that I was gonna pick a Lake of Gold for us beautiful Libras. We like shiny things, man. And this bag's shiny as hell. And expensive as hell. And not for nothing, we like to spend money. So I think we got her done here. Speaking of the Balenciaga Lake of Gold, Scorpio, this one's for you, man. The reason I picked this for Scorpio is because at the moment, I can't think of a trendier bag than the Lake of Gold. Scorpio wants to be in the moment. Scorpio wants to be in the know. Scorpio wants to be on top of their game. And they want you to know it. So how are they gonna do that? With the trendiest bag. Boom, Lake of Gold. Scorpio just wants you to know that their bag is better than your bag. That's really at the end of the day what it is. Their bag is trendier than your bag. Their bag is cooler at the moment than your bag. How do you do that with the trendiest bag around, which is the Lake of Gold? So Sagittarius, you're optimistic. You love to travel. You don't like to be held down. You like to go against the rules. You're like a free spirit. The obvious pick for Sagittarius is a Dior book tote. And let me tell you why. This bag can be used for traveling, obviously, as we all know you like to do, Sagittarius. And you like to go against the rules. So you're not gonna go with a leather bag. No, why would you do that? Why would you do that? You do what you want, when you want. So what are you gonna do? You're gonna buy a fabric bag, one that is far too expensive for a fabric bag, might I add. And you know what? Because you're such a free spirit, the only pattern that I see for you is the Toile de Juillet. I don't know if I said that right. Most likely I didn't, but you know what I am saying. The pattern with the tigers on it, that pattern is everything for you. And I don't think it should be in the small version either. Maybe the medium I think would be good. The small is not gonna help you as a travel bag. We need you to use this to pack your crap in when you just randomly decide on a Thursday evening that you want to go out and fly to Greece or something. Capricorn, I was extremely excited about this because Elver, my husband, is a Capricorn. I know the Capricorn so well. When I say he is like King Capricorn, like he does not like to spend money, which is why we have problems. He's a workaholic. Favorite thing to do is work. Like if you asked him, what do you like to do in your free time? He'd be like, real estate. But because I know the Capricorn through him so well, this was really exciting for me to pick. And I picked, and I got his approval, the Saint Laurent Rive Gauche. You don't like to spend money? The Rive Gauche is not expensive. You can use it as an overnight bag. You can use it as a travel bag. You can use it as a work bag, which was another very important thing because, again, you love to work, man. The cost per wear on this is gonna be $0. I'm telling you right now, maybe 1 penny. Aquarius, I got you. Aquarius is actually a sign that I don't think I have anybody in my life. Well, I do have a nephew, but he's 2. Like that's not really, he's not helping me out with the traits here, you know? Bulgari Serpentine bag. First of all, I love this bag. I love this bag. I posted a poll on my Instagram, which again, if you're not following me over there, definitely do that because I do some polls, I do some this or that, and I think it's a lot of fun. I asked you guys over on my Instagram if you like the Bulgari Serpentine bags. It was kind of a mixed bag, I'm not gonna lie to you, but I love them. I posted that because I'm really considering getting one. I think they are so beautiful. You guys are always kind of like in your own little world, you know, you guys are just, you're over here while everyone else is over there. You're introverts. So I feel like I wanted to pick something that was not typical because you guys are not typical. You're not like a regular schmegular person. As much as you kind of want to just like hide in the corner and like be a little shy, That's just not what it is. You guys are just too special for that to happen. I just feel like this is the perfect bag for an Aquarius. Tell me not. But it has to be in like a really cute blue color, obviously. Pisces. My son is a Pisces. Leo is not a Leo. We call him Leo the Pisces because he's obviously a Pisces. You guys are romantic. You guys love love. Pisces like to create their ideal scenarios in their head. They literally live in a fantasy world. They're very, very creative and they like blue. Okay. So the perfect bag, in my opinion, is the Chanel heart bag. Obviously in the baby blue color that it came in. I just feel like it's perfect. It is perfect because it's a nice weird shape, which is perfect for Pisces creative selves. They love love. They protect their own heart by creating, you know, those fairy tale worlds in their head. So boom, a heart bag. I just felt like it was perfect. Okay, which by the way, I was wearing my heart bag today. So those are the 12 bags that I would assign to each sign. Let me know what you guys think about my picks. When I tell you I worked hard on this, it took me days. With an S. I really wanted to make sure that every bag that I chose was relevant, but also made sense for the sign. I really wanted to try to make people happy. Okay, that's really what I'm trying to say. So hopefully you guys liked my picks, but let me know in the comments what you thought. But that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day over there. I am out of breath now. That's all I have to say. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. No. We bounce to the beat of our own drum. My hair is so frizzy today. What the